Good morning, class 6th. Today we'll learn divisibility tests, in which first is divisibility of 2. Any number whose ones place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is divisible by 2. For example, 34 is divisible by 2. As you can see, its unit digit is 4. 5968, its unit digit is 8, so it will be divisible by 2. Now you can check whether 34,569 is divisible by 2 or not. So you can see its unit place is 9, so it will not be divisible by 2. Now divisibility of 3, a number will be divisible by 3 if sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. What does it mean? We will see in example. It is 369. We'll check whether this is divisible by 3 or not. So what will we do first? We'll add all the digits. So sum of the digits, 3 plus 6 plus 9, it is 18. 18 is multiple of 3, means it comes in table of 3. So the number 369 will be divisible by 3. Now you can check some other numbers like 3478, 4032 are divisible by 3 or not. For this you will be doing the same. Add all the digits, 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. We are taking 3478. So 3 plus 4 7 plus 7 14, 8 22. 22 is not a multiple of 3, so number 3478 is not divisible by 3. Likewise you can check 4032. Now divisibility of 4. Any number is divisible by 4 if number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. We can check whether 2716 is divisible by 4 or not. So we'll be taking number formed by last two digits. Last two digits are 1 and 6, so number will be 16, and 16 is divisible by 4, so the number will be divisible by 4. Next, I had given some questions, you can check these. Like, are the numbers 54,788 divisible by 4 or 94,371 divisible by 4? I am checking this 94,371. You can see number formed by last two digits is 71, which do not come in table of 4. So, or you can see 71 is divisible by 4 or not. You can perform a long division. Okay, you can see remainder here, it is 3. It means 71 is not divisible. Divisible means remainder should be 0. It means 94,371 will not be divisible by 4. Likewise you can check 54,788. Next is divisibility of 5. It is very simple. Any number is divisible by 5 if its unit place is either 0 or 5. You have to see unit place. If it is 0, yes, number will be divisible by 5. If it is 5, then number will be divisible by 5. So you can check whether this 35,790 divisible by 5 or not. You can see its unit place is 0, so it is divisible by 5. So for some other numbers you can check this, like 33,989 will be divisible by 5 or not. Obviously it will be not divisible by 5, as it's a unit digit. You can see this is 9. Again 3,575, yes, it will be divisible as its unit digit is 5. 4,982, you can see what will be there, whether divisible or not. Now divisibility of 6. Any number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. For example, 132. So we'll see whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So first, 132 is divisible by 2 as its a unit place is 2. Now we'll go for 3. 1 plus 3 plus 2, it is 6. it means it is also divisible by 3. So 132 is divisible by 2 as well as 3, so it will be divisible by 6. Now I had given some questions like check whether 5974 is divisible by 6. You can check this. Next is divisibility of 9. Any number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, 378, sum of digits will be 3 plus 7 plus 8. It is just like 3, but we have to see the sum of the numbers must be in table of 9. So you can see this. It is very simple. Check whether 3479 is divisible by 9. You will add all the numbers and see if sum comes in table of 9. Now divisibility of 8. Any number is divisible by 8 if number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. For example, 57,728. Number formed by last 3 digits is 728. Now check if 728 is divisible by 8. So we can perform a long division again. 728, 8 9 is 72. Now we will subtract 2 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 8, 8 1 is 8, remainder is 0. So yes, 728 is divisible by 8. It means the given number 57,728 will be divisible by 8. So in similar manner you can check whether 5979 is divisible by 8 or not. Next is divisibility of 10. It is very simple. Any number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. It is easier than 5 actually. Only you have to see whether the number is divisible, whether the number is having 0 in its unit place or not. So see, 5960, 0 is at its unit place, so it will be divisible. Again this ends with 0, so it will be divisible by 10. Thank you.